Puizinrala pepken sangmala tastileshu. Tatering anzo ngunjuk prefix. We are going to learn prefix. So there are 5 prefixes. Ga, da, ba, ma, ha. There are only 5 prefixes. And the prefixes remain silent, like in English. K and OT, K remains silent. Not. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, K remains silent. Likewise, H-O and O-U-R, H remains silent. In the same way, ga, da, ba, ma, ha. If these 5 letters are in front of a word, then it remains silent. For example, so how do we keep it silent? We say ga wo. When you say ga wo, you forget about the existence of ga when pronouncing it. Ga wo cha, kiku chi, ga chik. Ga wo nya, kiku ni, sa ni. So ga is silent. Gao nya kiku ni sa ni. Gao sa shabju su ma sum. Chik ni sum. 1, 2, 3. Bao sha kiku shi. 4. Bao sha kiku shi. Langatanga, this is nothing new, we learned this earlier. And there is no prefix here. So da, ratak, da, shabchu, du, ga, tuk. Bao, da, shabchu, du, na, dun. 7. Ba remains silent. Bao, da, shabchu, du, na, dun. Bao, ra, gata, ga, yata, kya, da, ke. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tuk, dun, ge. Dao, ga, shabchu, gu. 9. Bao, cha, shabchu, chu. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tuk, dun, ge, gu, chu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then bao, sa, ta, na, ba remains silent. Bao, sa, ta, na, 10. Mao, cha, kiku, chi. Mao, ma remains silent. Mao, cha, kiku, chi. Dao, ka, naro, ka, da remains silent. Dao, ka, naro, ko, na, kun, ma remains silent. Mao, cha, naro, cho, ga, chok. Ga remains silent. Gao, sa, shabchu, su, ma, sum. Kun, chok, sum. The 3 jewels, Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. Kun, chok, sum, 3 ratna. And then what do we see? Dao, ga, dengbo, ge. Ao, da, shabchu, du, na, dun. A remains silent. Da remains silent. Ao, da, shabchu, du, ga, duk. Ao cha kiku chi ma dengpo me da me chime Amar. Amar, who never dies, something like eternal, who can live forever. Chime Ao cha kiku chi ma dengpo me da me. Dao ka ra kar pa naropo karpo. Dao ma ra mar karpo white. Konchok sum, the three jewels, three ratna, Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. Gedun ko artha chai Sangha, a assembly of monks. Chime, who can live forever. Amar, Dao ka ra kar pa naropo karpo white. Dao ma ra mar pa naropo marpo red. Sa dengbo se ra ser pa naropo serpo yellow. La jata ja nga jang kha shepchu khu jangku green. Na ga nak pa naropo nakpo black. Sa ngata nga naro ngo na ngun pa naropo ngunbo blue. So how do we know that the first letter is silent? Now here the vowel is helping us to determine whether this is silent or not. So the vowel is helping us. There is Shapchu, there is Kiku, there is Kiku. It indicates that the letter in front of it is always silent. Here, vowel is added here, so we know that Pa is silent. Shapchu is added here, we know that Ba is silent. Yatak, Ratak is added. This indicates that the front letter is silent. The vowel is added here, so we know that the letter in front of it is silent. Here vowel Shapchu is added. The letter in front of it is silent. Here superscript Sa is added to Ta. That indicates that the letter in front of it is silent. Here the vowel Kiku indicates that Ma is silent. Mao, Cha, Kiku, Chi. Here vowel Naro is helping us to determine that the letter in front of Ka is silent. Dao. Here Naro is helping us to determine that the Mao is silent. Shapchu is helping us to let us know that Ga is silent. The vowel is helping us. Here Dengbo is helping us. It shows that the letter in front of it is silent. Here Shapchu is added, so the vowel is helping us that the letter Ha in front of Da is silent. Here vowel Shapchu is helping us to determine the letter Ha in front of Da is silent. Ao, Cha, Kiku, Chi. The vowel Kiku is helping us that the Ha is silent. Likewise, now here there is no vowel indicating us which one is silent, whether it is silent or not. In such cases, it will be a bit difficult to determine if there are three letters in between two dots. Now 1, 2, 3, there is no vowel added, which normally helps us to determine if the letter in front of in the front is silent or not. Dao ma ra mar. So basically, first you have to know that the 5 prefixes ga, da, ga, da, ba, ma, ha. If these 5 letters are in front of it, in front of 3 letters in between 2 dots, then the possibility is that this is silent. It's just possibility. Here we don't have vowel to indicate that this, whether da is to be pronounced or not, but we know that ga, da, ba, ma, ha, da normally remains silent if it is in front of 3 letters in between 2 dots. Sa, digbo, se, ra, ser, panaropo. I just introduced because I just want to introduce you some name of colors. So this is nothing new. Lajata janga jangkashachuku. This is not new either. Naga nakpanarupo nakpo sangatanga nganarungo nangonpo ngonbo blue. So first see if there is any vowel added or superscript added or if vowel or a superscript or subscript is added, it indicates, like ragataka superscript is added here, yatak's subscript is added, is not vowel, is just superscript and subscript. This also indicates that the letter in front of it is silent. So if there is vowel added to a word with 3 letters, it shows that the letter in front of it is silent. The second rule is, if superscript is added to a letter, and if you see ga, da, ba, ma, ha in front of it, then it is silent. The 4 letters that remain silent are ga, da, ba, ma, ha. Ga, da, ba, ma, ha. These 5 are prefix, and if it is prefix, you don't have to pronounce it. How do we determine whether it's prefix or not? If there is vowel added to a letter, that indicates the letter in front of it is silent. If superscript is added to a letter, it indicates that the letter in front of it is silent. If subscript is added, it indicates that the letter in front of it must be ga, da, ba, ma, ha. And then we know that this one is silent. So now the most difficult part is over. And then now if there is no vowel added, you have to make some mental calculation. First, you have to know if the letter in front is one of the prefix ga, da, ba, ma, ha. If it is, then the possibility is there that it will remain silent. But then there are other things to consider that I will explain you in the next class. But the most helpful in determining whether the front letter is silent or not is the vowels. Naro, Shapchu, Kiku, Tengbo. These vowels are helping us to determine that the letter in front of it is silent. Superscribe, subscribe, these help us. And if there is not, then we will have to think in detail the lessons we had earlier. So यसरी अब सबभन्दा साह्रो चाहिँ अब सक्यो. अब मैले यहाँ के भनिरहेको छु भन्दाखेरि यदि भावल खिकु, सब्चु, सब्चु, डेङ्बो, नारो यस्तो के जोडेको छ भन्ने यसले के बताउँदैछ, यसको अगाडिको अक्षर चाहिँ उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन भनेर बुझ्न सकिन्छ. कसरी यो भावलले बताउँदैछ कि त यो सुपरस्क्राइबले पनि बताउँछ यो अगाडिको साइलेन्ट हो. जोडेको छ भने अगाडिको अक्षर चाहिँ साइलेन्ट. यतक सब्सक्राइब जोडेको छ भने त्यसले के बताउँछ, अगाडिको अक्षर चाहिँ उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन भनेर यसरी बुझ्न सक्छ. तर यदि भावल्सहरू जोडेको छैन भने चाहिँ तपाईँले जानेको हुनुपर्छ पहिला ग, द, ब, म, ह त्यो पाँचवटा चाहिँ साइलेन्ट हुन्छ. र यदि अगाडि ग, द आयो, अब द यो उच्चारण गर्नु नपर्ने भित्र हुनुसक्छ. तर पहिलाको त्यो सिकेकोहरू कतिवटा तपाईँहरूले रिभिजन गर्नुपर्छ. र अब ग, द, ब, म, ह यो पाँचवटा तीनवटा अक्षर दुईटा डटको बिचमा छ भने के सम्भावना छ, के हुनुसक्छ भन्दाखेरि अगाडिको चाहिँ साइलेन्ट हुनुसक्छ. तर यो विस्तृतमा चाहिँ हामी भोलि पर्सितिर सिक्नेछु. सो यसरी आजको क्लास यहीँ समाप्त गर्दैछु. तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ हेर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले यो काम लाग्यो भने चाहिँ अब कसरी भन्नु, अब धन्यवाद भनेको तौरमा चाहिँ लाइक इट गरिदिनुहोस् ताकि धेरैभन्दा धेरै मान्छेले हेर्नु पाओस् भन्ने विचारले. धेरैजनाले हेऱ्यो भने कुनै तामाङले उनीहरूको टिभी हेर्दा हेर्दै यो अचानक आयो भने चाहिँ यहाँ हामीले यो सिक्नुपर्ने रहेछ भनेर उनीहरूले पनि सिक्छ. त्यसरी लाइक इट गर्नु एकदमै जरुरी छ. कतिजना स्टुडेन्ट मैले देखेको पनि छैन होला, तर यो काम यो मैले क्लास गरेकोले फाइदा हुँदैछ भने लाइक इट गरिदिनुहोस्, कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस्. तपाईँको यो एक्सप्लेनेसन बुझिनँ के हो कसरी हो भनेर सोध्नुहोस्. लाइक इट गर्नु जरुरी हो. अब तपाईँहरूलाई मैले सायद 60% त मैले देखेका नै छैन होला. अन्त र पनि यो क्लासले तपाईँलाई फाइदा हुँदैछ भने लाइक इट गर्नुहोस् ताकि ज्यादाभन्दा ज्यादा मान्छेले आफ्नो लिपि भोलि पर्सि आफ्नो पुस्तक पढ्नु सक्ने, बुद्ध धर्मको पुस्तक पढ्नु सक्ने र त्यसको पछि बुद्ध धर्मको अर्थ बुझ्न सक्नुको लागि तपाईँहरूले सेयर गर्नुहोस्, लाइक इट गर्नुहोस्. तर चुपचाप चाहिँ नबसिदिनुहोस्. अब तपाईँ र म सायद भेटै हुँदैन होला. 60-50% त यो जिन्दगीमा भेटै त हुँदैन. यो एउटा क्लास माध्यम तपाईँ र म सम्बन्धमा आउँदैछ. तर काम लाग्दैछ भने लाइक इट गर्नुहोस्. इफ यु थिङ्क इट इज हेल्पफुल, I may not see you all my life, but if you are gaining something from this class, please like it. You won't get an opportunity to thank me, but at least like it so that it will get more exposure and more will pay attention to their language. Thank you very much.